We'll guide you through how to change the color of a cell based on another cell's value. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In this example, I want to go and change the color of the cells if they go and beat the target. So what you need to do is go and select the cells you want to do this with by clicking, holding and dragging. Go to Home at the top of Excel and come across to Conditional Formatting. And you then want to go and click on New Rule. In here, you can then go and choose the rule type. So in this case, I want to go and click on Only Format Cells That Contain. And then what you can do is go and choose Cell Value. And I want to choose greater than, like so. And then what we can do is you can go and type in a fixed number here, but we're going to go and select a cell. So I'll go and click on the little arrow here and then select that cell, which we now have done. Then click on the arrow over to the right and it's now using it. You can then choose what's going to happen. Of course, we want to change the color. So click on Format, click on Fill at the top and choose the color. In this case, I'll use a green. I'll press OK and OK again. And there we are, as you can see. And let's say I then lowered the target. I could go and set it to 5, for example. You'll see they're all selected.